you can double concrete production capacity with the HSM low-profile batching plant and its special Hagen holding hopper, manufactured by the Vince Hagen Company. A choice of batch size and storage capacity allows you to tailor a Hagen HSM to meet your needs. Batchers range from 6 to 15 cubic yards, aggregate bins from 60 to 400 tons, and cement silos range from 250 to 1,500 barrels total storage. The HSM operates like most low-profile batching plants. After raw materials have been weighed, they are discharged into weighting mixers. But that is where the comparison ends and the Hagen advantages begin. The Hagen concept centers around the transporter truss, a modular construction concept in which all major plant components are pre-assembled, operated, and adjusted at the factory before being sent to the field. This Hagen transporter truss concept is your guarantee that a Hagen system will be operational faster and cost less than other batching plants delivered in many pieces requiring construction in the field. The list of special Hagen features includes dual double-clam discharge gates on the aggregate batcher, heavy-duty scales, a rotary valve cement discharge gate on the cement batcher, a standpipe surge chamber on the water metering system, electrical wiring in rigid conduit, factory installed to National Electric Code specifications, hand-operated air valves for emergency operation, no cement on the belt, and the list goes on. A closer look at these standard features will show how the Hagen HSM works to your advantage. The aggregate batcher with its heavy-duty scale system is mounted within the truss and requires only the removal of travel tie-downs before going to work. Dual double-clam aggregate discharge gates allow ribboning of the fine and coarse materials on the batch transfer conveyor. This greatly improves pre-blending prior to a batch entering the mixer. The batch transfer conveyor will arrive at your site fully assembled within the main module and ready for operation. We've already tested the electric motor and torque arm reducer, the rubber-lagged head pulley, the wing-type tail pulley with screw take-ups, the 35-degree deep troughing idlers, and the heavy-duty nylon polyester cord belting. A heavy-duty scale system on the cement batcher also comes fully mounted and ready for operation. The hopper is totally enclosed and furnished with an air vent, pneumatic vibrator, and a positive sealing rotary valve discharge gate. This special rotary valve discharge gate prevents costly leakage of your cement waiting for a mixer to arrive. With the HSM batching plant, your labor cost for plumbing contractors will be minimized because the water metering system is factory assembled and tested. And to eliminate water hammer damage to your plant, a standpipe surge chamber is an exclusive Hagen feature, furnished as standard. The transporter truss concept will also eliminate costs for an electrical contractor. The HSM truss comes with motors, transformers, disconnects, and fuses installed and fully wired in conduit to National Electric Code specifications. The air compressor is also factory mounted on the truss with all hoses, filters, regulators, and oilers in place and tested. An operator station features dial scales and hand-operated air valves. These special Hagen features allow emergency operation. If your primary controls fail, you're not out of business. You can still batch concrete by hand with the air valves. Because transit mixers do not accept material as fast as a batching plant can discharge, a plant's production capacity is often penalized by slow mixer performance. However, the Hagen HSM low-profile batching plant solves this problem. Hagen increases batching capacity by stretching out the truss and inserting a holding hopper for discharge into the mixer. This Hagen concept eliminates the need for costly piers. Material batched in the normal manner is transferred at the high speed of 600 feet per minute into the holding hopper. This special hopper has separate compartments and discharge gates for cement, aggregate, and water. While material in the holding hopper is transferred by choke feeding into a transit mixer, the next batch is being weighed. This allows each mixer to be charged at its maximum capacity and completely eliminates spillage. After the holding hopper has fully discharged into the mixer, then the waiting batchers will transfer their material at high speed into the holding hopper. And the production cycle continues at double normal capacity. This allows the transit mixers to be batched and on the street in half the normal time. Quality engineered from years of experience, the Hagen HSM is the best choice for a stationary, low-profile concrete batching plant. Its cost effectiveness is proven and its performance unparalleled. Put the Hagen HSM to work for you. It will increase your capacity to deliver.